Hello friends, you everyone, welcomes to JPRD Trusted YouTube channel once again, and thanks for giving me so much subscribes, likes and lots of loves with yourself. So thanks for it. I am just going to tell you in this video today that how we are going to get the tournament prize without investing in any trading platform. The thing is there, basically we see that all the trading platforms which is available all over the internet, there is no any kind of platform which is giving you free joining in the tournament, where you cannot be able to give any amount, any cost, any investment in the tournament, and you can directly gonna just get a ticket for the tournament and you can just win some prizes which is giving by the Binomo Trade. So today I am going to tell you about this platform. Binomo Trade platform is giving the free entry for the tournament prize. You can also just join this platform, and how is it possible to join it, just I am going to tell you. When in this video, in the given description below, you can just find the link for joining of the Binomo Trade. I have just given their mention that link, that how you have to join this platform. So the thing is there, you can directly go in the description, find the link, there is written join, and you can just click there that link, and from there you just do the sign up, and finally you are ready for just applying for this tournament prize. So actually what happened, let I show you. I'm sorry here. So first of all, what we have to do here, we have to go in this tournament here, and after going this tournament, you can see here, this is the daily free tournament is here. So you can see here, this is the sign up for 0 rupees. You can just easily join this platform, just apply for this tournament freely, there is no cost. Now you see here that if you are going to get a first place, so you will get the 2072 rupees. If you are going to get just get a second place, so you get 1780, means 1780 rupees. So as like there are 60 places are scheduled in this tournament, so in the presence of it, where you are going to allocate that prize, you will get in your real account. Okay, so this tournament is providing by the Binomo Trade. So for that, if you are going interested, so what you have to do, you have to click here sign up for 0. So when I have just clicked for sign up 0, so it's had been I have included in it, and if I will get that place in this such a scheduling prize, so I am also going to get the prize in this real account. So this thing is there, they are just providing you the free tournament entry, and you can just easily just join from here. So the thing is there, how you are going to join this platform. So let me tell you that in the given description below, there is a link for joining. You can just easily go there and just join it. When you will click it, it will say for the sign up, so you can just able to do sign up and just make your account, and you can also just put your entry in this platform. You can see here, just when I have just put it in the ticket here of my account, so you can see here 42 minutes 21 seconds are left. You can see every day they are just providing this tournament, and you can apply every day also. So there is no any kind of problem, easily you can just make your Binomo account, and directly you just go in this tournament and just click this button every day. Hope anytime you will get this prize, because may some luck always just luck is always be brilliant in this world. So sometime you can just get the chance to get money also here. So the thing is there, what you have to do, at last I am just explaining you, go in the description, and there is link is available, just click that link and just sign up from there, and finally you are just applying for it. The other thing is there, this I am going to tell you, that if you are interested for the trading, so what you have to do, you have to go in the real account. In the real account, you have to do the deposit here. After depositing, you can able to withdraw also. Let I am showing you some of the examples here also, because generally, because the so many examples are there, because I have just deposited and withdrawal. I have just done many times, and I have just earned the money also. You can see here, deposited 350 705. There are so many things are there, you can just see here. So you can also be able to do the trading here, and it's a good platform. Just I will not say that it's a powerful best platform, but it will say it's definitely working in India, because in India, if I am just staying, so in India it is definitely working, and I will suggest you that Binomo platform is a best for the trading platform, and you can get your money in your account also. There is no any kind of problem in when you are depositing the amount, whether you use the RuPay, Mastercard, net banking, UPI, any kind of payment gateway you can use for the deposit, and for the withdrawal purpose you can use your any kind of system, whether your UPI, whether your bank transfer, whatever you want, you can easily join from here, and you can just withdraw from here. So this is the best platform today. I have just tell you about and many things here. And the other thing the other thing is there that I am going to tell you, that I have today talked about the tournament already. You have understand, you can see here that in the tournament you can just join freely, but when you one activity is always you will get the free entry, where you can just get the chance to win the tournament prize, and finally you are, if you win that, so finally you are going to get that amount in your real account. So hope this all the video in this whole video, hope you enjoyed so much, and thanks for watching this video, and hope if you are just got interested in this video, and for the more updates of the video which I am going to upload for you, so the thing is there, you have to subscribe our channel. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, because in the when you will get the subscribe this channel, so finally you are going to get the updates of our YouTube videos. So hope you just subscribe this channel, like this video, and comment it if you have any query. So thanks for watching our video. Bye bye, take care, have a good day.